This should be spicy. This is the best we got. YouTube, good morning from the drift office. We're gonna be doing dyno day today. With my new Lotus ELISE Turbo. I bought it, I'm just kidding, that's hilarious. My old car is here. The owner, if you guys remember, I was gonna buy this back, but I wasn't sure about it. That is hilarious that this is here. It needed a new dash so that it could connect to the new ECU that they put on here. How crazy is that? That is awesome. But we're not here for this. I cannot believe this is here. This is my old car, literally my old car. We're here for this Lotus, and we're gonna be putting this on the dyno today. As you guys saw, we put the JB4 plug and play on here. We're gonna do a couple runs, probably 3 or 4, and we're gonna see what we can make. It has the long tube headers, it has the cold air intake, and then catless exhaust, and then the JB4. We'll do a 91 octane, a 93 plus octane, and then like a race gas, and then we'll have it where it's disabled. And so we'll see what the horsepower numbers are. I'm just preaching it out right now. You guys should comment down below what you think it is before we get into it. But I'm thinking like, I'm hoping wheel horsepower, like 420 wheel horsepower, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get into the car, or get the car up on the dyno and start this video. It has a tune on it. It has a tune? Yeah, a JB4 tune. Okay. That's what I'm getting dyno today, see what it makes. It's just a plug and play. Okay, so we're gonna do the disabled one. So this is gonna be the factory tune with those mods on here. We'll get that first one. It'd probably be the best idea to just get the most power, just to do the biggest one right off the bat. That would give you the most, but we're gonna work our way up. The car will get warmer, so just add like, I don't know, 5 horsepower to the final one, because the car is gonna get warmer. It is a little bit cooler day. It's about 63 degrees outside, so that is good. It's not like 100, so that will help. But that being said, if you really just wanted the biggest number, you would do the race gas or E30, and then do that as your first dyno run. Ow! Yeah, 361, that's about right. Okay, with it disabled, it was 361, 304. And then now we're going to switch over to map 1. You guys see that right there? I don't think it's going to make much more, to be honest, maybe a little bit, but then we'll work the way down. We're going to do 93 and then the 93 E30 with the race right here. So we're on map 1. So 377. Okay, a little bit more.
Seems like it hit fuel cut right around 6 I'm not letting off.
Yeah, it like just like right? There's no like hard limiter. Yeah. It's probably this the tune. Okay, we've switched over to the second to last map, map 2. Again, keep in mind the car gets warmer, and so it does affect the power. I'm gonna come over here. It's pretty loud. It's pretty loud, guys. Almost 400. Ah, dang it. That's so 396. That's some big gains though. That's a big gain from a little computer. I'm happy with that. All right, I'm ready to go to the last one whenever you guys are. Okay, we're gonna switch over to final one, 3. You guys should be really happy with that. That is amazing. This should be spicy. This is the best we got.
Are we in it?
I'm ready, yep. A little bit less. Oh, that's it.
Let me get more.
Absolutely, it's totally getting warm. Yeah. If I wanted just big numbers, we would have ran that one the first one, you know. There's, I don't think there's any intercooler. No, there's no. It's just a bolt-on V6 supercharged. Yeah. It's back here. You just put it. I mean, it is what it is. That's good though. Those are.
If you're on the road, it's probably better.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
If you want, I can email some of the runs to you.
So if you do the calculator on here, it says, focus, 489 crank. It's pretty good. It's almost 500 crank. I'm happy. Pretty amazing. That JB4 is pretty good. You guys should be happy with that. If you had a 360 horsepower car and it goes to 400 for $500 or whatever it is, $600, that is insane. You should definitely get that. That is amazing. Okay, the little Evora did it. So this is with the plug and play JB4, easy, easy, easy. You guys saw that. You do not have to do the OB2 like I did. You literally can connect this to the little boost solenoid sensor and the map sensor, strap it in the wheel well or tape it up in there, and you're good to go. And you can just choose those maps from the base. We gained, look at this, we gained, the base was 366, now we're at 396. It's 30 horsepower, and then we gained 12 torque. That is really good for $500 or whatever it costs. I think it's 500 or 600. That is extremely reasonable. The car feels really good with the extra little torque. That little torque feels so good. You can actually just see how it just kind of keeps on going up and up, 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 up on the torque. The max torque was the final run at the second to final run at 329. And it just feels a lot better up right here. You can feel that little punch right here. It's really good. So those are the numbers. I don't know what you guys thought it would make. If you do a calculator of wheel horsepower versus crank, so if Lotus was to sell this or BMW to sell us, they could say the all new Lotus, whatever, Elan with this motor makes 489 horsepower. But then you take it to the dyno, do like 396 or 400. And they'll go, what is that? Why is that? Because that's crank horsepower versus wheel horsepower. You guys can Google it. If you really want a fast car, go get like a 500 crank horsepower car. That's a really fast car. So if you want to learn a little bit about stuff, you can. Just type in horsepower calculators online and it'll give you the drivetrain loss. If it's rear wheel drive, it's automatic, stick, all that kind of stuff, you can put those little things in there. But it made 396 wheel horsepower max and then 330 crank. It's good. It's good. It's Toyota. It's probably what you're going to get out of this. Long tube headers, intake, and then the JB4 tune. I'm really happy. I've seen some of these things on stock do 329 wheel horsepower. And then think about what I used to have on my Evora S. And it was, the Evora S I think was 350 horsepower, probably would have done, you know, 300 wheel horsepower. So this is 100 horsepower more. It definitely feels it. And it's all at the really honestly, the power is really at the top end. But yeah, I hope that you guys find this helpful. Number one link is going to be the JB4 from Greg's Racing Parts, the plug and play. This works on the 2017 Lotus Evora 400, Evora 410, Evora GT, Emira, and all the V6 Emiras, manual and automatic, I believe. So I hope you guys find that helpful. Let me know if you have any comments below. 489 crank horsepower, 396 wheel horsepower. And then the interesting thing was the final level, it did make a little bit less power, and that was probably because he's right, got heat soaked. So if I actually just wanted the biggest power, like the 400 number, I probably should have just led with that. I thought about doing that, but I didn't do that. So like, subscribe, swing by my website, swing by Greg's Racing Parts. I'll see you guys on the next video.